If you've ever wondered which volatility index is the best for trading over under contracts, you are not alone. Okay. Now, should you go for the fast and furious volatility 100, the consistent volatility 10, or the middle ground like volatility 25 or 75? Now, let us break it down so that you stop gambling and start winning. Okay. Now, guys, welcome back to the DerivNavigator Academy, where trading becomes smart, strategic, and profitable. Today, we are diving deep into the best volatility indices for over/under contracts on Deriv.com. Alright, first, what is over/under trading? Now, it is a type of binary option where you predict whether the next tick will be above or below a specific target. You are not betting on the long term. You are not betting on long-term direction, but just the next move. Okay. Now, so which volatility index works best? Right. Let us look at each one in terms of speed, risk, and payout. Volatility 10 is slow and steady. All right, it has minimal spikes, great for beginners, and it gives your over/under bot time to breathe, and it is recommended for high accuracy and low risk bots. Okay, volatility 25, it is balanced and reliable. Volatility 25 offers a nice balance. It is not too slow, it is not too fast. It is my personal favorite for most over/under strategies, especially if you are using candle bots. All right. Now, let us go to volatility 75 and 100. Volatility 75 and 100, buckle up, guys. These move like lightning, all right? And they can crash your win rate if your strategy isn't solid, all right? They can crash your win rate if your strategy isn't solid. And they are fun but dangerous, okay? Use this only if your bot is optimized for high volatility and you can handle back-to-back losses, all right? Now, if you are new to over/under trading or want consistent growth, start with volatility 10 or 25. Build your edge, then move to higher volatility when your system is proven. All right? Yeah, so guys, if you're wondering which volatility you can start with volatility 10 or 10-1S or 25 and 25-1S. Okay? Start with these two because they have a low risk and the payout is quite consistent. Okay? Yeah, guys, so bonus tips, guys. Avoid over/under in low payout times. Backtest on volatility 25 before going live. Just go and test it out and see how it works. And use tick smoothing indicators in your bots. All right. So, in the comment section down below, guys, just tell me what's your favorite index to trade over/under, and then just let us help each other, and so that you can be able to know what works best for you. All right. And don't forget to grab our free bot templates and trading links in the description. If you want a free bot and you have subscribed, feel free to contact me so that I can give you one free good bot. And if you need amazing materials and if you need classes, the classes are ongoing. Feel free to WhatsApp me right now so that you don't miss out. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. And if you have any question pertaining the best volatility for trading over/under, feel free to ask. But guys, put your focus on volatility 10 and 25 to maximize your growth as a trader. Otherwise, guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and let us meet in the next one.